advice for people who are auditioning for the first time ever?
Auditioning for the first time ever. We know you can all do something, but don't throw it out at the same time, because then it goes from really cool to just messy, because you're doing too much. But at the same time, know what you can do and don't try to do something you just can't do. You're like, I tried a backflip yesterday and let's do it again. Just don't do that. But if you're like, you know what, I know I can X, Y, and Z, like hardcore, do that. Uh-oh.
Well,
This is where you go into the clip of me. Like,
I gotta look for it because
Okay.
when you said don't do a backflip if you just try. She did that during Fanbase auditions.
Yeah,
She-
but
she-
it wasn't my first
she-
time. I just
She beefed it.
Was
I
in
think
my
it,
head.
yeah, she beefed it, and I got it on camera, and I was like, "This is the greatest audition video ever." I think for me, my advice is come early so you can make friends with everyone. Because if you're friendly, if you have that kind of support, it's easier to relax. Because auditioning can be very intense, or there's a lot of tension doing it because the judges, they don't have happy faces most of the time. They're just like very serious. It's all business. So coming there early, feeling out the space, feeling out the people there, helps out a lot, in my opinion.
especially for your mind too.
Your advice? Don't backflip.
Yeah, don't backflip. Oh my God. No, I feel Jesus Christ. I'll never live that. Oh man. Okay, so my advice would be to go in without any expectation, but go in ready. And do your homework on the audition. So that way you know more or less what you're getting yourself into.
Oh yeah, she texted me earlier. Do I need to bring heels?
Yeah, I was like, yo, do I need to bring heels, headshot, resume? What has to go?
Oh, this is pretty
what's going on?
pretty good.
You know, it's like, oh, funky. Let's go funky. Thrift shop.
Hey.
So yeah, just do your homework and go in without any expectation. So that way, if things don't go your way that you expected, I mean, you won't be having expectations, so you don't even have to worry about it.
No, you're good. This is totally random. So if you want to say hi.
Cameo.
Oh, they're coming.
Ah, yeah. Whoa! I'm random dude. Watch me leave.
Now watch me leave.
Message.
But yeah, I want to back that up and say like what she said, but also if you go into it like that, then think you just took a free class. You know, auditions are free classes if you don't make it,
Free
because they can be anywhere from like $10 to $25, $45 a class anywhere else you go. So if you're auditioning for something large enough, they're legit choreographers who've choreographed for other music artists. So you're getting a free class from somebody who did J-Lo's tour, who did Beyonce's tour, whatever it is that, you know, somebody doesn't have that opportunity. So take it as a blessing.
It's a great networking opportunity too.
Free master class, basically,
Yeah,
or like a free master class.
it's a
Or workshop, you know how people like be like, oh, workshop on like camera skills and stuff like that. I mean, like, experience is the best teacher. So
and it's a good networking opportunity because then you can find yourself with other dancers, creating other content and training together. So, you know what I'm saying?
One thing
Just got
for
serious.
me, if you feel like you're nervous, give like good energy, like, you know, clap for someone, you know, kind of like root for like the groups that are going on like after you and before you. Another one was, I saw it happen once. Don't just leave the dance floor during like a little audition thing. Of course, you're gonna have to do it twice, switch lines. Don't just like leave after the first run through, because, you know, if you leave, then that's kind of like showing, I feel like, you don't want to like, you know, do it again. And like for having them to tell you, oh yeah, like switch lines, don't leave, and it's kind of just like, oh snap, like I went out and like it's all weird now. I'm just like, ooh. I learned that like one time I was like, okay, cool. Then I didn't make it, and I was just like, oh, maybe I should have just stayed where I was and, you know, waited for them to say switch lines.
Rookie mistake.
Yeah. I saw it happen once today, and I was kind of just like, oh, don't leave. Like, but it happened.